Do you want to access the locked and hidden app on your iPhone using screen mirroring? I am Max. Here's how to do that. To open locked apps, your Mac asks to verify with your Mac login password or Touch ID if you have Touch ID MacBook with Magic Keyboard. Set up correctly under the Touch ID and password settings on Mac and unlock app using your fingerprint. To access hidden apps on your Mac using iPhone mirroring, go to the Hidden album under the App Library section. Next to the last home screen, scroll and see Hidden album. Click on it to view all hidden apps and authenticate it with your Touch ID or Mac login password. Here's all the hidden app. Unfortunately, we can't remove the lock or unhide the app from iPhone mirroring. Use your iPhone to unhide the hidden app. Follow the separate video given in the video description and pin comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming video tips.